Hey, my name's Nicholson. I hope you're well. Now look, I can see that you're looking to find a marketing funnel book, and I've got one right here. Now, this is my new book, Expert Mastery, and this book will take you on a journey just like this, and it will teach you how to craft content, how to capture leads, how to turn people into customers, offering your core offer, and then how you can continue to sell to more people. Now, this book has been gifted to more than 10,000 entrepreneurs and business owners just like you. And I want to gift you a copy as well. And so in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link where you can grab your free copy of Expert Mastery. Now, this is 17 years in the making. I've been in business for 17 years now, and this will craft and tell you exactly how to make a marketing funnel and then how to use my business accelerator methodology to actually get this working, right? To get this working and get traffic into it and get more leads and more sales and ultimately grow your business, plus get the right people to manage your business and so much more. Look, the book's free. So in the description of the video is a link. Go and grab your free copy now and enjoy it. Give me a great review once you've read it. And if you need more help after that, then let's keep in touch and maybe we can work together in the future. So go and grab a free copy now, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.